Hello kids, welcome to Tiny Toons TV. Is for apple, juicy and red. Crunch, 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 that's what we said. Is for ant, tiny on the ground, marching in a line. Sound, sound, sound! A is for alligator, big and green, snapping in the river, what a scene. A is for ape, swinging on a tree, laughing loudly, hee hee hee. A is for airplane, up in the sky, zoom, 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 watch it fly. A is for astronaut, helmet shining bright, floating in space through the starry night. B is for bear, big and brown, he waves hello, up and down. B is for ball, bouncing high, boing, boing, boing into the sky. B is for bird, flapping wings, tweet, 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 hear it sing. B is for bus, wheels spin round, vroom, 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 on the town. C is for cat, sitting on a mat, she says meow, just like that. Meow. C is for car, driving very far, vroom, 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 like a shooting star. C is for cow, say hello right now, moo, 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 take a little bow. C is for cup, fill it to the top, lift it up, up, up until we stop. D is for dog, wagging his tail, barking happy hello without fail. D is for duck, swimming in the lake, quack, 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 what a splash he makes. D is for drum, listen to the beat, rum pum pum, move your little feet. D is for dinosaur, big and tall, roar, 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 he loves us all.
E is for elephant, big and gray, swinging his trunk, hip hip hooray. E is for egg, smooth and round, crack, 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 what have we found? E is for engine, moving fast, choo choo choo, having a blast. Chugga chugga. E is for eagle, soaring high, flapping wings in the blue sky. Screech, caw!
F is for fish, swimming in the sea, splish, splash, splash, happy and free. Bloop, bloop. F is for frog, hopping on a log, ribbit, 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 in the little bog. Oink. F is for flower, growing in the sun, blooming bright for everyone. Sparkle sound. F is for fox, with a bushy tail, running fast along the trail. Yep. G is for gorilla, big and strong, thumping his chest all day long. G is for guitar, play a tune, strum, 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 under the moon. Electric guitar sound. G is for goat, climbing the hill, munching on grass, standing still. Mama! G is for gift, wrapped with a bow, open it up, what does it show? Rustle pop. H is for hippo, big and round, stomping feet on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp. H is for horse, running fast, gallop, 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 having a blast. Yay! H is for hat, upon your head, wear it well, blue or red. Whoosh! H is for helicopter in the sky, chopper, 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 flying high. Chop, 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 chop. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, yum, 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 a frozen treat. I is for igloo made of snow, round and white, watch it glow. I is for insect crawling on the ground, creep, 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 without a sound. I is for island in the deep blue sea, a sandy spot for you and me. Thanks for watching Tiny Toons TV. Subscribe for more. Bye-bye.